Hi, I'm Nicky from Fine & Country Leamington Spa, and I'm back with your market update for October. In many ways, October marks a return to normal for the economy and the property market. The final stamp duty holiday has now ended, travel restrictions are easing, and the furlough scheme has drawn to a close. Although it has fallen from springtime, buyer demand remains above the normal levels. The search for space is set to be a legacy of the pandemic, with many homeowners are still reevaluating their lifestyles as they readjust to the new hybrid working patterns. The demand for property in September was 12% higher year on year, with very few signs of any significant drop-off as autumn takes hold. According to RICS, stock levels per agent remain historically low. According to Zoopla, the year-to-date volume of homes for sale is 28% lower and the flow of new supply some 5% lower when compared to 2020. Home movers who are already sold subject to contract, cash purchasers and first-time buyers are in the best position to benefit from such a competitive marketplace. The growth in house prices still remains solid, but we are now starting to see that month on month prices are stabilising. The percentage change in the average price in the West Midlands is around 15% higher than when compared with the previous 12 months, which is actually around 5% higher than when compared to the summertime of this year. Thank you very much for watching. And if you would like a free valuation or have any questions on this month's market update, then please don't hesitate to get in touch.